I will check the all cells voltage, and after that we disassemble the parallel bus bars, we disassemble, and then we finally check the each cell voltage. Okay. Good. Final voltage test before final spot welding. Spot welding is complete. Between the cells parallel them, I use the 1.5 mm nickel strip, and then to series them I use 0.2 mm nickel strip, so this can deliver a high current stably. If you're using the 1.5 mm, then you have to double it up simply. And I will use the DIY bus bars that I'm using, the pure copper bus bars. DIY is very good. It can handle a big current without any problem. BMS Jibaida Smart 100 amp 7S BMS for lithium ion. I will use that one. It's really very good BMS in my experience, perfect for making the professional batteries. Our battery is complete. Everything is complete installed. The insulation box in the last I will build, and I will insulate that one, but for temporary I just cover it with the insulation paper and with the tape. So let's check the battery voltage. Everything is complete. The temporary installation is already done. So the battery is by Dyson, 24 volt 91 amp hour, which is equivalent to almost 2.3 kilowatt hour. So here is the DC breaker. They are 40 amp breaker, which is two negative and two positive input, and they are act like 80 ampere breaker. The inverter is GNG 2 kilowatt 24 volt. Very good inverter this one, and everything is ready. So I will just test that one for at least 1 week, charge discharge test, and after that we will completely insulate our battery pack. So the test is going on. Thank you.